belongs to the Ayurvedic fraternity. So with this, next, Ayuvaha nutraceuticals like that. Which type of analysis we are doing, that is the physicochemical, first of all the stability of the products has to prove. After that we have to do it for the physicochemical, microbiological, heavy metals, pesticides, aflatoxins, instrumental work, wet laboratory, many instrumental work like the GC, HPLC, TLC, HPTLC, etc. Next, what are the different categories? No need to repeat this slide because many of the categories we know already as per the Ayurvedic point of view. The next, again, so total 18 to 20 Ayurvedic categories which we are already described in the API and also its guideline given in the CCRS. Next, one of the example I have taken over here, that is the first one, that is for the ASAV and DARIS. What are that? The first is that we have to define first all the documentations that is arguable, then specifications, I mean the parameters already given based on the CCRS and the API guideline, and specifications are already given in the API. So according to that, we have says for example, product particular, the description is the color order we have to. Then for the physicochemical, I am talking of the ASAV products. So pH, specific gravity, total solid alcohol content, methanol content, reducing sugar, non-reducing, total sugar, total acidity. Next, if identification test is there, because everything is given already in the guideline, that is for the TLC, HPLC, HPTLC, GC and many other instruments. Next, heavy metals, very important one for any Ayurvedic products. 4 we are doing and its limits are already given in the API. Lead, cadmium, mercury and arsenic. Microbial contamination, that is for the TBC, TFC, and specific pathogens, that is gram negative, positive, that is E. coli, Salmonella, S. aureus, that is Staphylococcus, and the Pseudomonas. Pesticide residue, total 3 subcategories are there, and total 232 parameters are there. So mainly subcategory name is the organochloride, organophosphorus, pesticides, and the pyrethrons. Dosage and everything that is given in the API guideline. Next. Okay. On that basis, like one of the example, this way we have prepared all the specification sheet for all the categories. Now, which way we are going to write up to prepare our certificate of analysis. So, different data. This is one of the case study taken. Kushal Ayurvedic is one of the well-known company. Kantil is very known like a wood, Vati Gutti products under that category. Their batch number, everything what we have to mention it when we are producing or report on the Form 50, that is AYUSH produced. So their license number, I mean a company's number, where they have given, where we have received the sample, what is its batch number, manufacturing expiry, how much material we have received, then which method we are following, the but obvious API, and when we have started analysis, ending analysis, and when the CO is issued. Next, in the CO, this different parameters what he has given us to do. So that is for the alcohol soluble extractive, heavy metals, all the 4, microbiological, all the 6. Next, this way write up like in a word copy. The same way it is we are producing, giving all the results on Form 50. That is AYUSH prescribed form is there, and as an authorized signatory, I have to do that work. So this is also one of the example. Next, stability, very important because the very first topic is that any other product is there, company name is also other, all the details are already we are mentioning. But so when we are getting the product or when the samples we have received, so whether it was like a satisfactory or not, when we have received, then 0 month, 3 month, 6 month we have to do, because already Priyanka madam and Anand sir has already discussed in that talk regarding with the 6 month stability, accelerated stability. Next, once their period is there, so accordingly started, a start date, end date, like that, and all the 3 data we have to write it in front of, we have to compare it with the specifications. Anytime 0 day, 3 month or 6 results are coming beyond the limit, that counted stabilities fail, and stabilities fail, that means the product is failed. Some changes are required to in SOP, preparations of that sample. Next. So finally, conclusion can say that the stability data nowadays it's compulsory to decide the expiry period or the shelf life of the product. specification sheet always compulsory required because it is as a dossier it is required as a TDS. Results of each product batch to batch or lot to lot always will be differ. It is like a general observation. And as Gurjeep said, mainly the data profile dossier of each AYUSH will be useful to the next in a domestic or either in a export of the market. So, thanks to all of you. Basically, a little bit about my laboratory can say that my owner Shailendra Bhai Parekh is already there, and our basically the laboratory starting from the 1959. We are enjoying the position as the oldest laboratory in Gujarat. That was initially the pharma. Then we have initiated with the Ayurveda in 2019, and cosmetic in maybe couple of days we'll get it on license, and agriculture also we are in planning because agriculture, this botanical sites, then Ayurveda, these all are related. So thank you so much. Thank you. Sir, with your request, just one slide.